no allergies either, so you're just pretending.
That's cool.
I'm not going to set the alarms off.
Hopefully not, that's why we're here.
Oh, I was just
So if it does, are you ready with the bypass thing? We'll go sit by it.
I can show you what to do.
It's not born and dusting.
I won't be here on Friday.
That's all. First dance. You know Friday?
Yeah?
They didn't do this on Friday. Oh, what? Really?
That's different as a door now.
Have you seen it?
When something and put that door there.
Can we walk through it?
You say dance. Dance for me in the middle.
Can we actually do it?
Can we go in?
Yeah, it's so nice. Pretend you're a bride and groom, though. You do the proper.
Where do I do?
No songs.
Why is it like just...
Oh. Brilliant.
Oh, wait, no.
You don't have to do it.
Too much force, too much force.
You're not going to have a wrestle.
Oh, we stopped.
Oh, this is so cool.
It's really breezy on your ankles.
I'm not at the lowest. I need a check.
Okay.
All I want to do is
Wait, can we do
all
that?
of it. There's so much
Oh.
Still like this is fun.
Oh, this is so cool.
Do some hip
Use this outside though.
Can you?
Still night outside that.
I want to walk in it.
Pardon?
It's
That's
really
what I said.
cool.
I said this about doing it as the
Yeah.
bride and groom come down the steps
Face
and
it,
do
face it.
whatever they do out there. If you do first dances outside, it would just go down the
What
steps.
happens if you breathe in?
Halloween.
Yeah. Well, that's a week so, isn't it?
And just, I
But
want
it's,
to be a
it's only
floating
a
head.
1 minute. It'll only literally. You should get about 5-6 minutes out of this.
Wait.
Oh,
I need to do it all.
What now? Oh, just torso.
Just lay down.
If you
I just want my
disappear.
head up. Oh, wait. Can I disappear?
Oh my god, so she's not even here.
That would have been really cool if you did the show.
Yeah.
Quite the cool with it down here.
7 o'clock.
What? No. It probably will be over there.
It's just like a giant,
I just want like
a giant thing.
Just come out steam.
Do you break that?
Okay.
Oh, it's disappeared.
Oh, hello. I was having so much fun.
Oh, this is the best ever. Look at this. Is it actually not walking through a cloud?
Yeah.
Wait, dance.
This is the best.
You're way too happy. Can't see the floor.
It literally looks like it's not real. You look like Cinderella.
Do I?
Or she's Cinderella. Scrub the floor, Cinderella.
Like my parents actually call me Cinderella. Yes, he's just like.
Is there any really low check?
I tried to do it with the.
Stand there smacking that all night.
That music just picks it up.